Fahren Termitor 2023 upgraded H11H9H8 LED bulbs. The Fahren Termitor 2023 upgraded H11H9H8 LED bulbs by Termitor are a remarkable addition to the world of automotive lighting. With their advanced technology and superior performance, these LED bulbs provide a reliable and efficient lighting solution for vehicles. One of the standout features of these bulbs is the light source type, which is light-emitting diode, LED. LEDs offer numerous advantages over traditional halogen bulbs, including longer lifespan, higher energy efficiency, and brighter illumination. With the Fahren Termitor 2023 LED bulbs, users can expect a significant improvement in visibility on the road, enhancing their driving experience and overall safety. The included components consist of LED headlight bulbs, ensuring a hassle-free installation process. The bulbs are specifically designed for vehicle use, making them suitable for a wide range of car models. This vehicle-specific fit type ensures